How to fix the error of my cell phone not turning on or having a black screen. Not charging, not showing charging. A very easy and simple process without needing to take it to a technician. We're going to explain the easiest way to fix and recover your phone because these errors can sometimes occur. If it suddenly stops working, or sometimes it happens because we drop our phone. So, we have our phone in our pocket, we put it on the table. We go to use our phone, and as we can see, we don't press the power button and it's not turning on. This is sometimes normal. It happens with these devices. Some phones freeze, and sometimes they just freeze and stay like this. We plug in the USB cable, and it shows charging, but it doesn't. It doesn't vibrate, it doesn't do anything. If that's your case, in this video tutorial we're going to explain the steps. What we're going to do first? Well, the first thing we're going to do is this. We're going to press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Press those two buttons, hold them, count to 10. If it doesn't turn on after 10 seconds, then those two buttons aren't working. So we're going to use these three buttons. We press them, do the same count. If we see that 10 seconds have passed and it still doesn't work, then we'll try the third method, which would be to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. We're going to press those two buttons. Let's see if this works, and as you can see, it's already working with that other method. Now, what we're going to do is wait and see if it takes us directly to the home screen, if the screen freezes, or if it suddenly turns off and on. We'll see. Let's wait and see if it takes us directly to the home screen. If it takes us directly to the home screen, it means the video tutorial has been completely successful. And how do we show our appreciation? By sharing our video, leaving a good comment, giving it a like, or even making a donation.